make the best goals using email marketing. You've probably never heard the term email marketing before, but more than likely you have seen it. It's everywhere. Your favorite companies have more than likely sent you a message telling you about a product. This is email marketing in its purest form. Does this sound like something you would want to use? Granting that it is, then continue watching. Be sure to put the logo of your product or business in the email. This way, customers will become familiar with the logo and associate it with your company. It is best if the logo is something that will catch the reader's eye and be easy for them to remember it. Steer clear of renting or purchasing lists to pad your email marketing database. Not only do you not know if the emails you have purchased are truly your target market, but the list can actually hurt your deliverability rates and ultimately your reputation. As much as possible, build your list organically. If you want your email marketing messages to get to the right inboxes, target anyone whom you send to. If you already have a core set of fans or followers, offer discounts or promotions to those who get friends to show up. Anyone curious in your products and services probably has known others with similar interests, which mean you can organically grow your list through existing social relationships. While online promotion is essential, don't overlook the opportunity to promote your mailing list offline. To build both new subscribers and potential clients, look for any opportunity possible to get the word out. Some great opportunities to build your business can be found at networking events, trade shows, conferences, and local gatherings. After countless times of encountering email marketing, you finally know what it is. Put simply, it's using the medium of emails to send messages either current customers or future customers for the sole purpose of marketing to them. Now that you know what it is, make use of it in your own emails. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.